I see you. You haven't lost a step. Scrolling through the years in my mind, trying to find a flaw, but I can't find a single thing you did that wasn't pure. You were the sickness and the cure. I see the way you move through the room. Flowers open up when they see you bloom. Fashion week in Paris, or sweats at home. You set the tone, yeah, you set the tone. I should've held on tighter to the frame. Now I'm just a guest mentioning your name, but I'm proud of you, I hope you know. I'm sitting front right your show. You belong in the archives, you're a classic. Everything you touch, it turns to magic. I'm tryna finesse a way back in, but where do I even begin? You set a bar too high for the rest. I pass on you when I feel the test. You're the standard. Yeah, you're the gold standard. Intelligence and grace in the design. I wish that I could say that you were mine, but that's selfish, I know the deal. I'm just keeping it 100% real. Raising a game just by existing. I'm the one out here who is missing. Missing the point, missing the light. Thinking about you on a Tuesday night. Don't change a thing. Perfect just like that.